My name is Abhishek Agarwal and I'm the founder and CEO of Crowdify. Today we learned how to create an account on Crowdify website so that you can start trading in various loans and crowdfunded loans. To get started, go to crowdify.com and click sign up. Once you click sign up, you're presented with a basic information screen like your name and email ID. It's important to remember that the password we want has a minimum 8-character limit, as well as it needs a uppercase, a special character, and a number to be perfect. Also, you need to be a US resident to buy these loans, as well as you have to be financially suitable to buy these notes. Financial suitability criteria is available in the pop-up, which we show you when you click the yes button. We also have privacy policy and customer agreement, which you can read in your leisure time. The next screen asks you a basic information about you, your date of birth, and other stuff. Please make sure you enter the information correctly, because once you complete the sign up, we will pull the credit report for you. And then if the information does not match the credit bureau data, then the account opening would be rejected. So please enter the right information. The last section is the income and your purpose section. This information we collect so that we can recommend the best loans for you to invest in. Once you have filled out all the information, click login, and then you have now signed up on the Crowdify website. The next step is to create a Lending Club account or a Prosper account so that you can start trading on these notes. To open a Lending Club account, you just fill out your social security number. Make sure that all the information available here is right, and then agree to all the agreements which Lending Club wants for you to sign up with. It's important to provide the right information around your social security number so that we can validate it and then give you the right information. Once you have entered everything and you click submit, you will get a message which is success if you haven't entered all the right information. If the information is wrong, you might get a failure message, and you just have to make sure that you have entered the right information. Once you have entered the information, the next step is the bank setup account setup step. Here we collect the bank information so that we can transfer the money to your account and start trading. Please note, to start trading or to open an account at Lending Club, you need to have a minimum deposit of $1,000. When you enter the bank routing number, the bank name is automatically populated at the bottom. You can just check it to make sure that the bank name matches the bank you have your account with. The initial deposit, as I said, is $1,000. And then once you click submit, you'll get a success message which says that your bank account would be deducted of $1,000 to get started. You'll just click continue after that. The last step in the sign up process is the credit card information. When you open an account with Crowdify, it's completely free to trade for 60 days. And after that, we don't charge for another 30 days till the end of the month. In that time frame, you can cancel the account at any time by emailing us at support@crowdify.com. Otherwise, we will start charging after 3 months. So for 3 months, it's a completely free account. You can test it out, you can take it for a ride, and if you don't like it, you can cancel it at the end of the 90 days. So I'll enter my credit card information. Again, make sure that everything is right, because it will otherwise not allow you to proceed. And if the information is right, you will get a success message and you can continue. Now you have opened the account, and it will take us approximately 5 to 7 days to fund it and get started. So in the meanwhile, you can log out and wait for our email, or you can browse loans to invest so that you can create your strategies to get started early in the sign up process. Thanks a lot.